bro driving your car, bro? I hope you alright, bro. Man, ain't no way. Dude ain't hurt. You ain't hurt behind this.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud head. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fed.
Shit. Y'all see, man. It's about when Gbody Shuffle Gone Wrong, lock control, tore it up. Ain't no bringing it back. Ain't no bringing it back. Get what's in it though. Yeah, they done swap. I know what's going on. Drop that in. I ain't even named the Cutlass yet. Wow, they tore that thing up, bro. God. Shit. Power panels. I mean the panels. Well clean. Well clean. They tore that thing up. Yeah. Yeah, man. I tore it. What's in the bottom? Man, go work on it up. See, that was going wrong right now. Before don't be changing them shocks or suspension, bro. Hold on, it look like it was changed though. Turn down pipe. Nah, it probably was changed. Yeah, you really swap these cars, bro. You gotta do the whole front end, shots and everything, bro. You feel me? You pick this frame up, boy. I see the oil pan. Oil pan broke. Broke the oil pan. The whole engine ain't locked up. Man, I hope the engine ain't locked up. Man, I hope the engine ain't locked up, boy. They tore this thing up, man. Oh, that oil. Yeah. Yeah, y'all know. The fuel box. Why they tore this thing up, boy? See, the engine been pushed back. The oil pan, man, busted at the bottom. It scared me though. And you lock engines up, run out of oil. Might be alright though. Can in filter. This ain't even can in. That's some cheap stuff. It'll work though. Most definitely work. Take that with me. Yeah, man. Y'all still going on. That little cut the bill. Man, I'm gonna throw this in my Cutlass. I'm gonna get the goods. They smell the hell out this bitch, boy. Like the Hulk ran into this thing sideways. Brrr, with his shoulder down like this. Yeah. Them folks had hit a pole, bro. They hit a pole, bro. Oh, they hit a pole. That thing up here to the shop, right? I see what's going on. Bro. Yeah. The bills continue. Get everything about it here. Taking everything about it. Eddie LS swap, y'all. Y'all who don't know. That thing clean. Shop it go. LS swap Cutlass. LS swap Cutlass be here. Not this Cutlass, but mine. Well, this mine too, but we talking about I'm taking everything I do, you know. So y'all imagine, man. I don't rally so clean. Clean, bro. What was driving your car, bro? I hope you alright, bro. Man, ain't no way. Dude ain't hurt. You ain't hurt behind this. Like, look at the steering wheel, man. Ain't no way he ain't hurt behind this. Man. Ooh. Man, he hit a pole, man. He hit a pole. God. But I'm rally, but I'm brand new tire, bro. It look like he drove that thing along the wrecked, bro. How you know that thing was geeked up? Man, I hope the engine ain't tore up. Man, I hope the engine ain't tore up. He tore that thing up, bro. Bad seat look good now. Back deck look good. That back deck look damn good. Trunk look good. Trunk really look new compared to this. Tail light look good. Back bumper look good. And the car all around clean. He just tore it up, bro. I'm talking about tore it up. Like, really, the engine really look clean. That head say 862. Oh, that's a 5.3. A 5.3 heads. That really look clean out there. It really look clean. So it's a 5.3. It 5.3. It really showed, bro. Like, really took my time with this car, y'all. And I ain't gonna do nothing but keep adding to it. You feel me? So somebody try to come give me a bag, I'm gonna want it. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all look at the channel, see what everything I did to, you know I'm gonna want it. For all my cars, I'm gonna want it. So we gotta come with this bag, buddy.